Before you print, you need to prepare to cut all of your paper to size. You want it all ready so that your printing process is smooth. So the first step is going to be to measure your printing plate. You want to have at least 1 inch on either side of your printing plate. So in this case, my printing plate is 9 inches. And then I add 1 inch to either side, making 11 inches. My printing plate vertically is 12 inches tall plus 1 inch on either side, and that makes 14 inches. So I need to cut paper that is 11 by 14 inches in size. For this print, I cut some paper that is standard white paper for 11 by 14 for my first couple of prints, and then I also think I'm going to try out this light blue paper for my print. And notice that when my printing plate is all lined up, there is about 1 inch on either side all the way around to make room for my matting and framing. After I cut my paper, I need to make my registration paper. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab a larger piece of just plain paper, and I'm going to trace my printing plate onto it. You can see in the video here, I have already lined up my printing plate and traced it in pencil on my paper. And then I'm measuring 1 inch on either side for the whole thing. I know that my paper is 11 by 14 and has a 1 inch border, so I'm going to measure that on all sides of my paper so that I can make sure that when I line up both my paper and my printing plate, they will both be even and all of the sides will be 1 inch by 1 inch. I'm making sure to measure on both sides of my printing plate to make sure that my line that I draw is even all the way around. So I'm going to line up my ruler with both of those tick marks and draw my line, and do this with each side so you can make sure that you're not going to have a bunch of wonky, uneven lines.